What is one thing you'd like for Christmas?
A Rolex. Nice oyster, like, you know what I mean? Or something
A
like
little Oyster Perpetual and them ones, bro. Incredible.
Some new Dr. Martens.
New Dr. Martens, are we talking the high ones or are we talking the low ones?
Low ones, I think the shiny ones this year.
Like jewelry, gold, you know.
New Balances.
New Balances? What colour?
Probably just like a plain grey or white.
Expensive taste.
Yes.
Fair enough. Are there any particular brands of jewellery?
No, just gold, you know. Us Arabs do it like this way.
I feel so bad for your parents this Christmas.
I want more like the UGG shoes that
Yeah.
I've got, probably like the black ones or something. Shoes and clothes.
Shoes and clothes, anything in particular?
No.
Nothing in particular. What about you?
AirPods.
AirPods.
Yeah.
New ones.
Mine are broken.
What, is it like the big ones or the in-ear ones?
No, the inner ones.
Where are you going to get said shoes and clothes from?
Sidekick.
Oh my God. See, that's the correct answer. I didn't even have to tell you that.